Everything is so like old school.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like
It doesn't even feel fast yet.
yeah, definitely not.
No?
It's, I mean, it is fast.
Holy shit!
That's like 3/4 throttle, maybe half 3/4.
Yeah, that's it?
That's nothing crazy, dude.
That's not even the whole way?
No, that's not wide open.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's not even wide open, dude.
What the
So
fuck?
you're not even feeling like 1,000 horsepower.
I'm trying to.
You're probably feeling like 600, 700.
Well, tell you what,
maybe.
sir, my heart is pounding right now. It feels good. I love it.
Did I ask the Amish if we could do a donut?
Don't do it.
Definitely.
Should I take the camera with me?
No, they don't. They can't. You can't camera. They can't video them.
Yeah, they don't like being recorded. But you can do it from here.
Here's
Though.
Max is gonna be a little turd blossom, and
Let's see how he does.
let's see how he does.
Yeah, let's see what they say.
What's that?
I said you guys can go ahead and make it done.
He's like, yeah.
He's like, thumbs up,
Yeah,
oh,
he's like, let's do it. So, are you gonna do one?
Unbelievable.
Are you gonna do one?
Is he?
We can.
All right, you guys go first. All right.
Holy shit. What the hell kind of donut was that?
Show us some.
Holy shit.
There you go.
What an idiot. Well, guys, the AMG didn't fucking make the cut. His belt broke.
That 17 belt broke. I think the tensioner's bad.
So what's he gonna do?
That's the second time.
Look, there's a, oh, this is the second
Yeah, it's
time.
the second time that should happen. The first
Oh,
time it
boy.
happened, it flew off when he was.
My belt never comes off.
Alright, well, let's see it.
Here.
You better not be a pussy about it, too. Because we have all the viewers watching right now.
Well, who's all watching?
If everybody, if Andy does a proper donut, he has approval. You're still a pussy though. That's going on my Instagram story right now.
Let me go.
Yeah, let's pull up there. Just some Sunday shenanigans, guys. We just met up with Andy. We're just hooning around a little bit in the AMG. It sucks that the belt broke, but it is what it is. Let's hurry up over there. Let's go see what Igor broke.
Holy shit, this thing's insane.
Well, these tires are done. I have a fucking
I can put the belt on if I had to. Oh, it just popped off.
yeah, he just needs a tool to put it back on again.
Belt delete.
Here.
Yeah, do you have any tools with you?
I don't have. I might. That's what I'm saying. Like I might have tools. I do have tools, but
You're gonna need a wrench. That's for sure. With the,
that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, what do you
socket.
need?
Well, we broke an AMG today, and we did
The AMG broke. The Trans Am did not. All right. Always keep my emergency toolkit in the back of the car. What's that?
Here, just bring him over there.
It's bigger, and I think.
That's what she said. This is all I have. I have a 7/8, a 5/8 wrench. I have an adjustable.
What do you have in these sizes right here of the sockets?
Well, I don't have any.
This might fit. We might
I don't.
need
You're gonna have to use a wrench with another wrench because I don't have any ratchets or anything.
Gotcha. Okay. We have this. Let's try this one. Yeah, that's gonna.
Well, do you have a ratchet?
You don't have a wrench?
I don't have a ratchet. What you can do is you can take a wrench and go like this, and try to do it like that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So do you know what size it is?
No, I don't know. It would be. I'm sure this will work.
Give it a take this one too. There you go.
Okay.
Take that one too.
I still need a ride.
It broke already, you know. Couldn't handle the power, you know. Is that the right size?
We have to see the diagram right now to make sure we're doing it right.
Well, you got to make sure it's the right size first.
Yeah.
That's really 6.3 liter. Look at this thing. 6.3. Is this just a V8 or?
Yeah.
So it's not like turboed or anything?
Clean aspirated, yeah.
It is a nice car. Look at this. AC heats, AC seats and everything. Zing, Jenga. Look at that. What do you guys think? Comment below. Should I buy one of these? Is that a no? I said comment below. Should I buy one of these?
Andy can't handle this.
Get the fuck out of here.
Too much power for him.
It's too luxury for you.
Ah, yeah, I'm all used to this shit, you know, with fucking pipes hanging out the side of my
Exhaust
freaking car.
out the bumper.
That's what I'm used to. You're using a tire and dude, that does work. That actually works.
Yo, guys.
That is the craziest. That's a tire iron.
Mercedes engineering.
Not gonna lie.
Literally.
That's actually a really good idea. That's a really fucking good idea.
For the belt tensioner. This is awesome.
That is the funniest idea ever. To
So
be
we're
honest.
gonna route this belt and get her on there. And
Yeah, do more donuts.
But we gotta make sure the tensioner is tight this time.
And then you gotta take E out.
Max wants to ride in the bird.
Yeah.
Did you get it? Is it on?
Yeah, he's almost had it on. He's just lining it up with the diagram. That we
Oh, dude, that's a lot of turns. It's a lot of twists and turns.
German engineering.
Yeah. That's, you know how easy it is to put my belt on? It's actually a pain in the ass with that big ass turbo on the way. Not gonna lie.
Do you guys see this yet?
Oh, bang bang. Can you do my belt next? Yeah. That belt is kind of a pain in the ass to get the fuck on.
Yeah,
If the turbo wasn't in the way, like it'd
yeah.
be fucking easy, but with the turbo being in the way, it does kind of suck a little bit.
That's fine. You can just always take the turbo off, you know, just throw it away. You don't see that.
Turbo delete.
Turbo delete. Comment below. This is gonna be nothing but a comment below video.
Turbo delete so Andy can actually
Stop hanging out with Max. Comment below. All right, so unfortunately, hate to do this, but unfortunately the AMG is broken.
We need a ride.
And they need a ride, so the bird's gonna save them. The problem with this is there's a bar back here, and poor Max is going in the back.
I'm driving. You're getting your
Get the
ass in
fuck
the
out of
back.
here. You better squeeze your little skinny ass back there.
Bro, how?
Go on that side. Go on the other side. Open the door bar. Here, hold on. He's hurt. He probably should sit in the front.
I won't fit. I'm a bigger guy.
Oh, look, skinny ass Max gets back there.
It's not.
Why don't you just sit your ass in the cup holder, man? Fuck it.
It's dirty. I'm clean.
You're just fucking stupid. This is dumb.
Oh, we had an adjustable the whole time.
That wouldn't have done anything. What would I have done?
For the tensioner.
But the
Look how small that fucking thing is.
Look how small yours.
It's like your penis.
I'm gonna use this hard tuner shirt on you.
I will kill you. That was not a cheap fire extinguisher. That fire extinguisher was extremely expensive. Here, hold on. Let me help you.
Move the seat forward.
I don't know why you didn't get in that way, Max.
Through the top?
And back, top, under. It'd probably be easier to get under it, honestly. Or whatever. This is terrible.
Hello.
This is, look, he knows the gameplay. He knows how this fucking works. Alrighty, let's get my pin back in here. There we go. Let's Everybody ready? We're going for a ride.
Dad.
We're going for a ride.
Is it comfortable?
Fuck up.
They probably hook a little bit better now. They got a lot of weight back there now.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this thing does on the highway.
true though.
It is, dude. Like there's more weight back there now.
I get it. Dude, you're hooking.
I am hooking. I did feel it. That was third fucking gear, dude. It hooked.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit. I was like, shit. It's not really actually like moving around a lot.
Yeah.
It's fucking awesome.
Put some weight in the back.
What are you guys doing tomorrow? It's hooking. It's fucking hooking now.
You're good.
Dude, that thing's hooking good.
It's hooking. It was fucking hooking, dude. Holy shit. How much do you weigh, guys? What's your combined weight?
Yeah, I weigh like 150.
Damn. I need about 300 pounds in the back of this bitch. I'll be good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it'll be quick. Let's do it quick. You don't want to stand right there.
You don't want to stand there.
for too long.
Is it going off near the shoe flames?
Yeah.
A Maserati.
Who's that? Oh, never mind.
Dude, you did that way too long. I said 1 or 2 pops.
It goes really fast. I'm sorry about that, man. My bad.
That's fine.
Now, like, what happened?
Oh shit. I fucked up. Alrighty. Back to the shop. Go ahead and get her inside and clean up the catch can. I'll show you guys here in that in a minute. Alrighty. So one of the downsides of having a turbocharged vehicle, as a lot of you guys out there that might have one will know about, my lens is dirty again, is the fact that, as you guys can see, oil, the catch can, fills up freaking stupid fast, which drives me nuts, to be honest. But basically what I got to do is I got to take the catch can off. I have to drain it because it is full as hell. You can see all the oil sitting down there. There's oil everywhere now, just from driving around for a day. So I'm gonna take the catch can off right now, drain it, clean all this up with brake clean, make it all pretty again. I might have to end up upgrading to a dual catch can from Mighty Mouth Solutions. And that might be my only option at this point, because that thing fills up so damn fast. All right, that's the end of the video. Bye guys, peace out, deuces, whatever.